Today's reminder is about spring weed control. Winter is the time to do this. I know our brains aren't there yet, but you may already be seeing dandelion or clover or some other little leafy type of weeds on your dormant or partially dormant yard. The ultimate prevention for that would have been done in October and November, and some of you did that pre-emergent. But that pre-emergent only lasts 2 or 3 months, especially when we have heavy rain. So remember that if you want to wipe out weeds for good and all, you have to stay on top of your pre-emergent prevention, which is usually a granular, easy to put out in a spreader and then water in. The only thing to remember about that step is if you plan on filling in some bare spots or even changing your lawn altogether in March or April with sod or even with seed, skip the pre-emergent step this time, because the pre-emergent will hinder or even completely kill what you're trying to do on a new lawn start with seeds or even with sod. So think about that when you're planning right now for spring. The weeds that are already up, you can only kill them if you spray them at the right timing, because colder winter temperatures, day and night, and cooler ground temperatures make herbicides that are liquid form, even our very strong professional ones, work very slowly, if at all. So if you want to kill what you have now because you want it pretty or because you're showing your house or whatever reason you want those weeds to be dead now, then if they won't pull up easily, use the right spray that we recommend, but use it on a sunny day, not a cloudy one, when your temperatures are over 60 or ultimately over 70 degrees. And yes, we're getting some 70-degree days in the early spring. We know this in North Texas. The next day might be 30, but so you have to prepare for that. Try to get a couple of sunny days on that spray that you use, and try to make sure that your temperatures are high enough that that system will absorb your spray and kill that weed all the way to the root. So those are my tips, and don't forget that we're going to need to fertilize again very soon. So I always do a sale for those things. Watch the emails. Come and buy your product at least a couple of weeks before you get a good watering plan, so that you know everything's going to be done at once. Fertilizer, pre-emergent, even a bug control. By mid-February, you should already be thinking about those things. And if you didn't do a fall one, it's never too late.